They say the climate's changing. They say the storms will grow. Then they build a nation's power on the sunshine and the blow. The wind can fall to nothing. The clouds can hide the sun. A week of cold and silence, and the backup has to run. The battery holds a few short hours, then every cell runs dry. You cannot power a country on a forecast from the sky. They warn the weather's changing, that the old rules cannot stay. Then build a grid on weather and just hope it goes their way. Built on the weather, built on a prayer, miles of fragile power lines strung everywhere. You say the storms are coming, then leave the whole grid bare. Why build Australia's future on the mercy of the air? Built on the weather, built to be replaced, then buried down as waste. You call the gamble progress, but the people pay the fare. Why build Australia's future on the mercy of the air? They cover farms with panels, they crown the hills with steel, they clear the bush for power lines, then call the damage green. Lithium, copper, concrete, more mining every year, and 20 years from installation, replacement time is here. One reactor serves for decades on a fraction of the land, while fields of glass and spinning blades must all be built again. Then leave the whole grid bare. Why build Australia's future on the mercy of the air? Then hail comes through the valley, and cyclones strike the coast. Fire runs beneath the power lines, where the grid is stretched the most. The turbines lock their blades down, the panels take the blows, and when the system needs them, that's when the power goes. Oh, oh, 'cause every tower is a target, every cable is a chain, every field of exposed panels must survive the fire and rain. Built on the weather, built on a prayer, miles of fragile power lines strung everywhere. You say the storms are coming, then leave the whole grid bare. Why build Australia's future on the mercy of the air? Then bought the backup twice. Now families fund the failure through the power bill's rising price. They call it cheap, we pay more. They call it strong, we build more. They call it clean, we mine more. They call it progress, we replace it all again. Build power near the people, compact, strong, and built to last. Nuclear through every season, not dependent on the forecast. Bury lines where storms can't reach them, shorter runs beneath the ground. Keep the grid secure and steady when the weather turns around. Power ready when we call it, every hour, every night. Not a nation waiting helpless for the wind to blow just right. Built for the weather, built to endure. Power through the cyclone, steady and secure. Nuclear for generations, compact, strong, and there. Build Australia's future beyond the mercy of the air. Beyond the mercy, hey, beyond the weather. Power for the country, whatever comes together. Hey. He told us storms were coming, so build something that survives them.